Today I have a question to all of you, that is it necessary to speak English fast? Is it necessary to speak English fast? What do you think so? Actually not. It is not necessary to speak English fast. The speed at which someone speaks, it depends various factors such as the context in which they speak or someone speaks, their native languages, and their personal choices or personal preferences, what you can say. Then what is important? The important thing is to be clear and understood. Yes, my friend, to be clear and understood while communicating in English. Some people may speak English more quickly or fast because of their cultural background or native languages, while others may speak a bit slowly because of nerves or a desire to ensure themselves to be understood by the audience. It is always possible to be fluent in English while speaking at a moderate pace, as long as one is able to convey effectively their thoughts or expressions or ideas. However, if someone wishes to improve their speaking speed, they can do so through a lot of practice and immersion in English speaking environment. I hope that it is clear that is it necessary to speak English fast or not. Hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic INDRA. See you soon in another helpful, interesting video. Till then, enjoy English learning.